Are you tired of feeling stuck in your 9-to-5 job and dreaming of taking control of your life? Starting an online business might just be the answer you're looking for, and we're here to show you that it's easier than you think. Welcome to Top-Tier Success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. Our channel provides you with valuable knowledge and proven strategies to start and grow your online business. We're all about attaining financial freedom and living life on your own terms. Don't be the last one to the party. Hit that subscribe button now, and we promise to keep the videos interesting and the jokes hilarious. Don't believe us? Well, there's only one way to find out. Subscribe and see for yourself. You might be worried about not having enough real experience or needing a fancy degree to succeed. But we're here to tell you that anyone can start an online business with the right guidance and tools. In this video, we'll answer all the questions you've ever had about starting an online business and give you the confidence to take the first step. One of the best things about starting an online business is the low overhead costs and high margins, giving you the flexibility, freedom, and access to a global market that traditional businesses don't have. And for beginners, several online business ideas require minimal startup costs and risk, and we will be discussing the 4 best ones for beginners. So, if you're ready to turn your dreams into a profitable online business, then you've come to the right place. Don't miss out on this video because this might just be life-changing for you. Let's get started on your path to online business success. 1. Online consulting. Are you an expert in a specific field and have been itching to share your knowledge and skills with the world? Do you want to be your own boss and take charge of your life? Well, buckle up, because starting an online consulting business could be the key to unlocking your success. Imagine being able to work from anywhere in the world, have the flexibility to work on your own schedule, and make a substantial income doing what you love. It's not a fantasy, it's a reality. With your expertise and a solid marketing strategy, you can build a reputable brand and offer significant value to your clients. Whether it's in accounting and taxation, education, engineering, or any other field, you have the potential to become a highly sought-after consultant. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your dream life and start your own online consulting business today. We'll guide you through the process and give you tips on how to maintain a successful brand image that will keep clients coming back for more. 2. Freelancing. Looking to start an online business? Freelancing might just be your golden ticket. According to research from Upwork, freelancing contributed around $1 trillion to the US GDP, and this trend is only set to continue as more people crave the freedom and flexibility of being their own boss. The best part? Freelancing allows you to test the waters before diving in. You're not tied to a desk or contract, and you have the power to control your own schedule. Plus, you can explore various industries without any long-term commitment. But before you take the plunge, make sure to ask yourself some important questions. Do you have the self-discipline, time management, and people skills needed to succeed? And don't forget to assess your financial stability before quitting your day job. If you're ready to take the leap, it's time to define your goals and determine your end game. Research your competition, identify a niche, and set strategic prices based on the value you offer. Building a website to showcase your work is a must, and choosing your first clients wisely will help you build a positive reputation. With freelancing, the sky's the limit. You have complete ownership over your business and can develop your skills in unexpected ways. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your freelance journey today. 3. E-commerce. Are you ready to turn your passion into a thriving business? Starting an e-commerce shop is a solid online business idea that can lead to a full-time income. The e-commerce market is massive, and while competition is fierce, there are plenty of opportunities for success. Establishing an e-commerce business requires careful planning, just like any other business. You need a solid business plan, marketing and operational strategies, and sufficient finances to get started. Here are some general tips to get you started. First, do your research. Identify a specific niche, explore your competition, and find partnership opportunities. Don't rely on a hunch, make informed decisions based on data. Next, identify your brand and buyer personas. Think about who your ideal customer is and how you can appeal to them through your branding and marketing. This will help you build a website and formulate a marketing strategy that resonates with your audience. Then, do all the groundwork. Register your business, obtain relevant licenses and permits, and design a logo that represents your brand. Finally, attract customers to your website through SEO tactics, building traffic, and engaging with your customers. Remember, this is a continuous process, and as your business grows, so will the importance of these tasks. With dedication and hard work, an e-commerce business can be a lucrative and fulfilling venture. So, take the first step towards your dream and start building your e-commerce shop today. 4. Digital products. Sell online courses. The popularity of online courses has exploded in recent years, and it's no surprise why. People crave the convenience of remote learning, and they want to learn from the best of the best, who offer practical tools and techniques that are immediately applicable. Building a business by selling online courses has numerous benefits, including low costs, high profit margins, and the ability to automate and streamline your offering. And unlike physical products, courses can't go out of stock, and they can be updated and improved upon indefinitely. Plus, the online education industry is growing rapidly, making it an ideal space to establish yourself as a leader in your field. With existing platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, you have an established audience ready to consume your content, and using YouTube as a marketing tactic can help you reach even more people. While competition exists in this market, creativity and an actionable plan can help you carve out a unique niche and achieve the success you desire. Don't miss out on the opportunity to share your knowledge and skills with the world through online courses. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and start your own online business? Don't let fear hold you back. With the right approach, the benefits of being your own boss can far outweigh any costs. As technology continues to take over the world, just kidding, but not really, there's never been a better time to jump on the digital bandwagon and make your mark. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the digital age and start building the business of your dreams. And don't forget to let us know in the comments. We're excited to hear about your journey to entrepreneurial success. If you got value from this video, we will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.